Have you seen those ads for Power Plug Pro, claiming it can cut your electricity bill in half just by plugging a small device into your wall socket? The idea sounds incredibly appealing, especially with rising electricity costs. The ads suggest that this tiny device can stabilize electricity in your home, stop energy waste, and even protect your appliances from harmful surges. But the big question is, does it really work, or is it just clever marketing designed to attract buyers? Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. According to the product's claims, PowerPlug Pro is designed to reduce electricity bills instantly by stabilizing the power flow in your home. The marketing says that homes often receive dirty or unstable electricity, which supposedly leads to wasted energy. By simply plugging this device into a socket, it claims to smooth out the electricity, reduce energy loss, and make appliances run more efficiently. The product is also promoted as electrician-recommended technology that can protect devices from harmful surges and spikes. The company says it's a compact, silent, eco-friendly solution that works anywhere in the house without maintenance. However, when we look at how electricity billing actually works, several red flags start to appear. One important concept here is the difference between real power and reactive power. Real power is the electricity that actually runs appliances like TVs, refrigerators, lights, and other household devices. Reactive power, on the other hand, is energy that moves back and forth in electrical systems to create magnetic fields in motors. It isn't consumed in the same way as real power. PowerPlug Pro advertisements often claim that homes are paying for corrupted or wasted electricity and that their device can reduce the bill by up to 50%. Sometimes the explanation is compared to a glass of water. The water in the glass represents real power, while the empty space represents reactive power. But here's the key issue. Residential electricity meters measure only real power, the energy actually used by appliances. That means households are billed only for the electricity they truly consume. Reactive power is not included in residential electricity bills. The idea behind these products actually comes from large factories. Industrial facilities often use heavy motors that create a lot of reactive power. Because of this, factories may face penalties from electricity providers if their power factor becomes inefficient. To avoid those penalties, factories sometimes install expensive equipment called power factor correction systems. However, this situation doesn't apply to normal homes. Residential customers are not charged for reactive power, which means reducing it will not lower your electricity bill. Another concern is what's actually inside devices like PowerPlug Pro. In many similar products, the internal components are extremely simple, usually just a small capacitor and a tiny LED light that makes the device look active. Even if that capacitor slightly changes reactive power in the circuit, the home electricity meter ignores it completely, so the electricity bill remains unchanged. There's also evidence that many of these plug-in energy saver devices are very similar to low-cost products sold on wholesale marketplaces like Alibaba and then rebranded with big marketing claims. So while the advertisements for PowerPlug Pro may sound convincing, the science behind the claims doesn't match how residential electricity billing works. That's why it's always a good idea to research products carefully and stay cautious whenever a device promises huge savings with almost no effort.